Leg weakness after 65 happens faster than most people expect, and it is often the very first warning sign that mobility, balance, and independence may start slipping away. Many seniors feel their legs getting shaky, slower, or less stable without realizing what it actually means for their long-term strength. Researchers have identified 6 everyday foods that can start restoring leg power far more quickly than most people imagine, and these foods are probably already in your kitchen. Even more shocking, one of these foods becomes more effective after 65 than it ever was earlier in life because the aging body responds to it differently. And when you pair certain foods together, their impact multiplies, giving your legs an even stronger boost in a shorter amount of time. Stay with this video, because you are about to discover all 6 foods plus a bonus combination that can help rebuild strength, improve balance, and support confident movement at any age. Carol from Virginia started noticing something subtle but unsettling. Each morning when she got out of bed, her legs felt shaky, almost as if they were struggling to hold her steady. At first she brushed it off, telling herself she was just tired. But as days passed, the feeling returned again and again. A tiny wobble when standing, a slight weakness when taking the first steps, and slowly, a quiet fear began to form. She worried this might be the beginning of losing the independence she had always taken pride in. Eventually, she mentioned it during a doctor visit. Her voice cracked slightly as she admitted how scared she felt. Her physician listened carefully, then smiled reassuringly. He told her that early leg weakness after 65 is incredibly common, but also one of the most reversible issues if treated the right way. He explained that muscle loss accelerates with age, but targeted nutrition can rebuild strength faster than most seniors realize. Then he hinted at something that immediately caught Carol's attention. There is one specific nutrient that can rebuild leg power more quickly than anything else, but he did not reveal which food it comes from. He told her she would understand once she learned the full list. Food 1. High omega-3 fish. High omega-3 fish has a surprising advantage for seniors that most people never hear about. Studies show that omega-3 south improve leg strength more in older adults than in younger ones because aging muscles respond differently to anti-inflammatory nutrients. After 65, inflammation becomes one of the biggest reasons legs feel stiff, slow, and weaker than before. Omega-3 south calm that inflammation, allowing the muscles to fire more efficiently, making every step feel steadier and stronger. This effect is small at first, but it compounds week after week, giving seniors a noticeable boost in leg power. Jim from Arizona discovered this by accident. He had always been active, but lately he found himself struggling with stairs. His legs felt heavy halfway up, and he often paused to catch his breath. He assumed it was just age, and tried pushing through it, but the weakness kept returning. During a checkup, his doctor suggested adding high omega-3 fish like salmon or sardines a few times a week. Jim did not expect much, but he gave it a try. Within a month, he noticed something surprising. The heaviness in his legs eased, the burning he felt on stairs softened, and for the first time in months, he climbed a full flight without stopping. The payoff was clear. Omega-3 south helped reduce the inflammation around his leg muscles and improved the way those muscles activated. His legs were not suddenly stronger, they were finally able to work the way they were supposed to. The improvement motivated him to continue, and each week his confidence grew as his legs responded. But as powerful as omega-3 fish can be, there is another food that builds muscle mass even more directly. It targets the root cause of age-related muscle loss and gives seniors the building blocks needed to rebuild strength from the inside out. The next food works faster for muscle repair and becomes essential for anyone trying to regain stability after 65. Food 2. Greek yogurt or high-protein yogurt. One of the biggest hidden reasons seniors lose leg strength so quickly is simple but serious. They are not eating enough protein. As appetite changes with age, many older adults unintentionally undereat protein at breakfast, which accelerates muscle loss throughout the day. When the body does not receive enough amino acids early on, it struggles to maintain and rebuild muscle tissue, especially in the legs where strength and stability depend on daily repair. This quiet protein gap makes legs feel weaker, shakier, and more fatigued long before a senior realizes what is happening. Linda from Oregon felt this every morning. She used to start her day with a sweet pastry or toast because it was quick and easy. It gave her a moment of comfort, but by late morning her legs felt unsteady, and climbing steps became more difficult. She assumed this was aging catching up with her. During a routine visit, her doctor asked about her breakfast and immediately pointed out the lack of protein. He suggested she replace the sugary start with a bowl of Greek yogurt or another high-protein yogurt option. Linda agreed, not expecting much, but within a few weeks, she felt something she had not felt in months: stability. Her legs felt firmer beneath her. Her balance improved. Even simple movements felt smoother. The payoff was straightforward. High-protein yogurt delivers the amino acids her muscles desperately needed each morning. These amino acids act like building blocks, repairing worn muscle fibers and allowing the legs to regain strength. Seniors digest dairy protein especially well, making this an easy and effective tool for restoring muscle health without complicated diets or supplements. Linda's improved stability was not luck. It was her body finally receiving what it needed to rebuild. But rebuilding muscle is only half the story. To keep legs strong over time, the bones beneath those muscles need support as well. The next food does both at once, strengthening bones and muscles together in a way that becomes essential after Food 3. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are one of the most underrated strength foods for seniors, yet they offer a powerful biological advantage. These vegetables are naturally rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This compound widens blood vessels, boosts circulation, and improves the flow of oxygen into the legs. After 65, circulation naturally slows, and the muscles in the legs begin receiving less oxygen than they need. This is why many seniors feel heaviness, early fatigue, or shorter walking endurance without realizing the cause. Leafy greens quietly reverse this decline by improving blood flow in a way that directly supports leg power. Robert from Texas, age 72, learned this through experience. He loved taking evening walks around his neighborhood, but over the past year he began slowing down much sooner. Distances that once felt easy suddenly left his legs burning halfway through. He assumed this was the unavoidable effect of aging. During a routine visit, his doctor asked about his meals and noticed Robert rarely ate green vegetables. He suggested adding spinach or other leafy greens to dinner a few nights a week. Robert did not expect anything dramatic, but he decided to try. Within a few weeks, he noticed changes he could not ignore. His legs felt lighter, his steps smoother, and he walked farther before feeling tired. The burning he once felt during longer walks softened, and his stamina improved naturally. Nothing about his daily routine changed except the addition of leafy greens. The improved circulation meant more oxygen reached his muscles, allowing them to activate more efficiently and recover faster after movement. The payoff is simple but powerful. When blood flow improves, muscle function improves. Leafy greens help legs work the way they are meant to, supporting strength, balance, and endurance with every meal. Seniors often blame aging for tired legs, but in many cases, the muscles are simply not receiving the oxygen and nutrients they need. But there is another issue many people over 65 face, even with good circulations: nighttime leg cramps. These painful episodes can interrupt sleep, leave muscles sore the next day, and create anxiety about movement. The next food addresses this problem directly and helps prevent those nighttime cramps from returning. Food for bananas or potassium-rich fruits. Potassium is one of the most important minerals for seniors, yet it is also one of the most quietly overlooked. Low potassium levels can create hidden weakness in the legs, lead to shaky or unstable steps, and trigger sudden cramps that strike at night. Many people over 65 experience these symptoms and assume they are unrelated or simply due to aging. But potassium plays a major role in nerve communication and muscle contraction. When levels dip too low, the muscles cannot fire properly, and the legs start signaling fatigue even during simple movements. Nora from Florida, age 68, dealt with this for months. She would fall asleep normally, only to wake up with a sudden, sharp cramp twisting through her calf or foot. Some nights the pain pulled her fully out of bed. Other nights she felt a dull ache that lingered until morning. She tried stretching, drinking more water, even changing her mattress, but nothing worked. During a conversation with her doctor, potassium came up. He asked how often she ate bananas or other potassium-rich fruits. Nora admitted she rarely did. On his suggestion, she added one banana to her daily routine. The change was almost immediate. Within a week, the nighttime cramps eased. Within 2 weeks, they disappeared altogether. She also noticed her legs felt steadier during the day. Walking downstairs became easier. Standing from a chair felt smoother. Her doctor explained that potassium helps balance fluids inside muscle cells, stabilizes nerve impulses, and supports proper muscle contraction. When potassium levels are healthy, the legs respond with better coordination, stronger movement, and fewer painful spasms. The payoff is clear. Bananas, oranges, kiwi, and other potassium-rich fruits give seniors an easy way to support nerve function and muscle performance. Many older adults unknowingly consume far less potassium than they need. So adding even one serving daily can rebuild stability and protect against those painful nighttime surprises. But stabilizing nerves and preventing cramps is only part of the story. To truly rebuild strength, the muscles themselves need more direct repair, and the next food delivers exactly that, working deeper within the muscle fibers to restore strength from the inside out. Food 5. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are one of the most powerful leg-strengthening foods for seniors because they combine two nutrients that aging muscles desperately need: plant protein and iron. After 65, muscle fibers break down faster, and the body requires steady protein to repair them. At the same time, many seniors have low iron levels without realizing it, which reduces the blood's ability to carry oxygen. When muscles do not receive enough oxygen, they tire quickly, coordination weakens, and balance becomes unpredictable. Beans and lentils quietly solve both problems at once, making them one of the most effective foods for rebuilding steady, confident leg strength. Henry from Ohio, age 70, learned this unexpectedly. He began noticing small balance issues, nothing dramatic at first, just a slight wobble when turning too quickly or stepping off a curb. But over time these moments became more frequent. His legs felt weaker, his steps slower, and his confidence shrinking. During a visit, his doctor asked about his diet and immediately noticed Henry was not eating many iron-rich foods and was low on daily protein. The doctor suggested adding lentils or beans to meals 3 times a week. Henry agreed, figuring it was an easy change. Within weeks, he began noticing clear improvements. His legs felt stronger when standing up from a chair. Walking long distances felt easier. The small wobbles that once worried him nearly disappeared. His energy improved because his muscles were finally receiving enough oxygen, and the added protein accelerated the repair of weakened muscle fibers. Each meal contributed to steady rebuilding, giving him the sense of stability he thought he had lost forever. The payoff was powerful. Plant protein supported muscle repair. Iron improved oxygen delivery. Together, they boosted strength, energy, coordination, and overall leg confidence. Henry felt more secure walking outside, more stable on stairs, and more capable during everyday movements. But as effective as beans and lentils are, they still are not the fastest working food on the list. The final food delivers direct muscle repair at a speed that makes a noticeable difference in a surprisingly short time. Food 6. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most powerful complete proteins available to seniors, yet they are often overlooked because of outdated fears about cholesterol. What most people do not realize is that eggs contain the perfect blend of amino acids needed for fast muscle repair. And this becomes especially important after 65, when the body's ability to rebuild muscles slows dramatically. Even small amounts of muscle loss can weaken the legs, affect balance, and increase the risk of falls. Eggs provide the exact nutrients aging muscles crave, delivering strength and stability faster than almost any other food. Maria from California, age 69, experienced this firsthand. She used to start her mornings with toast, fruit, or sometimes just coffee. Over time, she noticed her legs feeling less grounded. When she walked across the room, her steps felt slightly unsteady. Rising from a chair required more effort. She assumed it was simply the natural progression of aging. During a routine checkup, her doctor asked about her protein intake and suggested she switch her breakfast to include eggs several times a week. Maria agreed, curious but skeptical that such a small change could help. Just a few weeks later, the difference was unmistakable. Her legs felt stronger beneath her when she stood up. Walking across the house felt smoother and more controlled. Even her posture improved because her muscles were finally receiving the fuel they needed to repair and rebuild. Eggs provided her body with fast-access building blocks, allowing her muscles to restore strength more quickly than before. She had not added exercise or supplements. She simply changed what she ate in the morning. The payoff is powerful. Eggs supply complete protein that accelerates muscle repair, improves stability, and boosts daily leg strength. They also contain key nutrients like vitamin D and B12, which support nerve function and overall energy. But there is something even more exciting. When eggs are paired with one of the earlier foods on this list, their benefits multiply. This simple food combination helps build muscle twice as effectively and supports stronger legs in a shorter amount of time. Bonus tip: there is a simple food pairing that dramatically boosts leg strength after 60, yet almost no senior knows about it. Researchers have discovered that when you combine a high-protein food with a leafy green in the same meal, the body produces nearly double the muscle protein synthesis compared to eating either food alone. For aging legs that lose muscle faster each year, this synergy becomes incredibly valuable. Here is why it works so well. Foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, and lentils supply amino acids, the raw materials your muscles need to repair and rebuild. But leafy greens create nitric oxide, a natural compound that widens blood vessels and improves circulation. When nitric oxide rises, more amino acids can reach your leg muscles, allowing them to recover faster and grow stronger from even small amounts of movement. Seniors who start pairing these foods often notice steadier steps, better balance, and more confidence when walking or standing up. This combination does not require complicated recipes. An omelet with spinach, a yogurt bowl with leafy greens on the side, or lentils served with arugula are all simple, powerful options. By pairing these foods regularly, seniors can give their legs a faster path to strength and stability. This pairing accelerates strength gains more than eating them separately. Common mistakes. Many seniors unintentionally weaken their legs by making a few common mistakes that seem harmless on the surface. One of the biggest is relying too heavily on supplements instead of real food. Supplements can help fill small gaps, but they cannot replace the full range of nutrients, amino acids, and natural compounds found in whole foods that the body needs to rebuild muscle. Over time, legs lose strength because they are not receiving the complete nutrition required for daily repair. Another quiet mistake is eating too little earlier in the day. Many older adults skip breakfast or eat something light, then feel weaker by afternoon or evening without understanding why. Muscles need a steady supply of fuel throughout the day, especially in the morning. When the first meal is too small or lacks protein, the body begins breaking down muscle tissue for energy, making legs feel tired, shaky, or unstable by the end of the day. A final mistake is missing the powerful combination of pairing protein with foods that improve circulation. Eating protein alone helps, but when it is paired with leafy greens or other nitrate-rich vegetables, the body delivers those nutrients more effectively to the muscles. Without this pairing, seniors lose out on one of the easiest ways to strengthen their legs naturally. Conclusion. Now the full picture comes together. The 6 foods you learned about omega-3 fish, high-protein yogurt, leafy greens, potassium-rich fruits, beans and lentils, and eggs each target a different part of leg strength after 65. Together they support muscle repair, improve circulation, prevent cramps, increase stability, and restore the power your legs need for everyday movement. You also discovered the big nutrient hint your doctor hinted at earlier, and the bonus food combination that doubles muscle building signals, giving your legs an even faster path to improvement. Stronger legs are not just about comfort. They mean independence, confidence, and safer movement as you age. They help you get out of bed smoothly, walk with more control, climb stairs without fear, and enjoy activities without worrying about losing balance. With small changes in daily meals, these foods can bring back the strength and stability that aging often tries to take away. If this video helped you understand how to keep your legs strong and steady after 60, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss powerful tips that protect your mobility and health.